Going live. Can you hear that? Can you hear that? T-Rex! Come here, T-Rex. Come here. I can hear. Kim! Hey, come. Hey! Stop it! Shh! Stop it! Stop it! Stop it! Oh, are you alright? Are you alright? Are you alright? They destroyed it. Grab it. Wow. Fuck, they were mauling it. Are you alright, little one? Poor thing. Blood everywhere. You alright? Look, they've been in its ears. They're literally mauling it. Okay, so we just randomly got here, and this dog was getting mauled by about 4 dogs, and we've just saved it right now. So that was just a random rescue. Yeah, well, that normally doesn't really happen. We don't really come across something like that, but I don't know why it happened. Okay, it's alright. Where's it been hidden? See the ears?
Blood that came from somewhere.
They're biting it everywhere, man. It's in shock. Traumatized. What's this? I don't know. Hello, mummy. Hello, mummy. How are you?
I don't think it needs painkillers.
Huh? No, it doesn't need painkillers. He's just hungry. Yeah, look, there's a bite mark over there.
Get out of a punch on straight to eating it. Yeah. Give you a nice piece. Yeah.
No appetite. Oh, okay. Alright, guys. So, nothing in here. Where's your kids? Where'd you put your kids this time? Are they back here? No. Nothing here. Did it jump down?
Jumped down legged first.
Yeah. There we go. You're alright. Yeah, just help yourself. Help yourself. It's okay. Help yourself.
Yes.
Hey, no. Come. T-Rex. T-Rex. T-Rex, how are you? How are you? How you going? T-Rex. So what else do we have here? This place is a mess. Nothing in here. What are you doing? You just want to play? So this one just got jumped by how many dogs? 4 dogs, eh? Oh look, there's one over there. What's wrong with you? What are you doing here? What's wrong with you? Oh, this one's pretty sick. This one's not good. I can feel its bones. You alright? This dog doesn't look too healthy. They bite you as well. Oh, this one's really bad. This one, I reckon this one's gonna end up dying. Look at it. Look at that. Very, very sick. Yeah, so I can't really tell you what it's from, but I've seen this happen heaps of times. Doesn't look too healthy. Come, get up. Let's get up. Let's get up. Let's walk. Come on. Come on. Let's walk. So I've picked him up. Looks like he's got no energy for anything. Because I'm holding him now as well, feels like it's lifeless. I'll just put him in the shade. Give it some water. Have some water. One sec. It's not. It's not very active. It's not very active at all. So, hey, come here. Come on. Come on. Then you got T-Rex over there. T-Rex. Hey, give me a high five. High five. Yeah. Tell me your problem. What's your problem? What is wrong with you? Tell me, and I'll help you. Tell me your problem. Tell me your problem. Doesn't look hungry. Yeah, drink some water. Come on, drink some water. See, look, this is caved in. It's literally like real thin. Caved in. Ribs are sticking out. Bones are sticking out. Not very healthy. This one's healthy. Aren't you healthy? You're very healthy, aren't you? You're very healthy. You're very healthy. Aren't you? Aren't you healthy? Aren't you healthy? Aren't you healthy? Hmm? Aren't you healthy? But you're not so healthy. You're having a bad day, yeah? It's not hungry. There's no appetite. Yeah, have some of that. No? No. Not hungry at all. See, I'll give it something for its immune system to be better, but I don't know if he'll carry it. Like, I don't know how strong he is. He looks a bit battered up. Come on, you follow me. We'll get back to you. Come on. That's it, we're feeding the mama right now. How you going, mama? Let me see those boobies. There we go. It's all milk. Full of milk. She's doing alright. These are all the other dogs. There's dogs everywhere, man. Fuck. Look at the ribs on that. The ribs, can you see it? That's a new one on the block. That's Lucky. Lucky, come here. Come here, Lucky. Come here, Lucky. Dush, 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 dush. Yeah, so this is the area that we're at right now. I'm going to take you to the little babies now. Show you the little babies. These are new dogs. See how they're not getting close to me because they're scared. I haven't seen them before. Hey, bring the cam. I'm gonna go. No. See that? Miring.
What?
Yeah, so we're gonna go to that spot now. Where's the bear one? Gone, eh?
Yeah.
I hope we got adopted.
Hope so.
Okay, guys, the babies are here. You can see them. They look fine. They all look pretty happy. Eyes are open. They look all cuddly and cozy together. So we're watching them grow up here. A lot of them did die. A lot of them have passed away from the storm. From the mother just constantly relocating them. There was 18 of them. I'll count how many there is now. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. There's 10. So there's 8 missing. Come here, come here, come here. Come here. Come. There we go. This is the biggest one out of all of them. What's wrong, little fatty? Look how fat you are. Look how fat you are. Huh? Look how fat he is. It's alright. It's alright. I'm the one that looks after you, you little shit. Look how fat his head is. Alright, go, get out of here. Get out of here. Go back. Go back. Look how fat he is. You know how big that dog's gonna be? You come here, come. You come here. Come. 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 So, welcome. You have opened your eyes now. Welcome to the real world, huh? Yeah? Get out of here. Little shit. Pissed on my hand. Alright, so can you see that one over there, bro?
The one all the way at the back?
Yeah, look at the one all the way at the back. Through the camera. Hey guys, check this out. Wait. Look at that one there. Look. Can you see that one there? What the hell is that? What kind of a sleeping position is that? Look at that. Little shits. Yeah, so this is what makes us happy. This is our zen. We do this for the love, we do this for fun. We do this for, you know. What are you doing? I thought you didn't like me. What are you doing? There we go. Mama's coming. Come on, Mama. Come on. Come on, feed them. They're hungry. Come on. So, the mama's arrived. I'm just currently squatting in here. These guys. Hey, what are you doing? Get in there. Go, get in. So, mum's here. She's here to feed the babies. You see? No, go that way, go that way, go that way. Go. No, not this way, other way, yep. That way. There we go. They're all going to mummy now. Yeah, that's probably the best thing I've seen all day. Cute. Look at that, trying to find the way in. There we go. Oh my god. That's it. All the babies are feeding now. Everybody's happy. Alright, we're out of here. Okay. Alright, so there's dogs everywhere. Like you can see, dog over there, dogs over there. So I'm gonna try to find a solution for that one that's really sick. We'll just have a look, see what's wrong with him. So I go to the city like twice a week, so I'll probably be able to take it tomorrow or something. G spraying this dog. Disinfectant, antibiotic at the same time. Bro, this dog doesn't look too healthy.
Yeah.
I don't know what we should do. I don't know what we can give it. Maybe he got attacked as well by those other dogs, that's why he's like that, so I don't know. This one just wants to play. I swear to God, if I had a backyard, I'd take all of these. Anyway, guys, that black dog is okay now. It's eating, it's drinking water. I don't know what I'm going to do with this. I'll probably call one of the vet people that I know and, you know, do what they tell me. That's about it. See you later. I'll do a live video soon as well today, later on.